Hi, my name is Chirag Sethi and I'm the founder and managing director of Classic Fitness Academy, India's leading fitness academy, which is churning about 10 to 15,000 trainers every year. So when I sit in my office or my staff, whenever a new student comes in, he has one or she has one specific question to ask. Sir, what is the career scope when I do this course? Or what is the career in fitness industry? So I'm taking the opportunity from Body and Strength, and I'm going to talk today about what all you can do in the fitness industry. As a fitness professional, how much you can earn, what are the avenues that open up, can I only work in a gym or can I work somewhere else, can I think out of the box, can I make it big, can I make it large in this industry? So these are the questions we're going to be answering today. I'm Chirag Sethi and you can follow Body and Strength on all the platforms for more of our videos. So coming back to this question, career as a fitness professional. What do you need? What do you need to become a fitness professional? To enter into any industry, what you require is formal vocational education. So if you want to become a fitness professional, if you want to become a personal trainer, if you want to become a fitness trainer, the first step is to do a certification. I'm not saying that because I own an academy, but this is the basic step for everyone. अगर आपको इस इंडस्ट्री में एक्सेल करना है, आपको इस इंडस्ट्री में आगे बढ़ना है, तो जो पहला स्टेप है वो है एक रेप्यूटेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से एक सर्टिफिकेशन करना. वो सर्टिफाइड फिटनेस ट्रेनर हो सकता है, वो सर्टिफाइड पर्सनल ट्रेनर हो सकता है, वो ग्रुप एक्स इंस्ट्रक्टर हो सकता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन आपका एम क्या है. जब आप फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री में एंटर करते हैं तो आपके पास एवेन्यूज होते हैं. You can start working as a fitness trainer, or we call it the floor trainer, where you get a basic salary, but you don't enjoy the incentives of a personal trainer. आपको कुछ stipulated hours जो हैं वो floor पे spend करने होते हैं, which is roughly 8 hours plus an hour for lunch break and for your workout. Usually gyms allow a 8-hour shift. After that you can do your workout and you can go home. The basic salary in that segment is anywhere between 12 to 20,000 rupees, depending on the gyms you choose, depending on the brand you choose. Anywhere between 12 to 20,000 is what you can earn. The next level that comes after a fitness or a floor trainer is a personal trainer. One professional who will stand on your head and will make sure that you do your workouts properly. So he's not just helping you with the form and technique, but is also helping you with the motivation. He is your one-stop solution for a good workout. But when you get a good thing, you also need to shell out some money. So the members will pay for your personal training sessions. The gyms and the personal trainers usually share a ratio anywhere between 30 to 50% of the money that is being charged by the personal trainer from the member. So some gyms will also offer you a basic salary plus commissions, where the commission will be lesser. Most of the gyms will hire you as a freelancer, where you will be getting 30 to 50% of the commission based on your targets, based on your sessions. Trust me, you can make any amount of money in this. We have students who are earning more than a lakh rupee a month. And at what age? At just 22, 23 years. Where most of the people will start their career, these are the young chaps who are already earning about a lakh rupee a month. If I cumulatively add this for a year, which is like 12 lakh rupees. So if I look at it this way, or even at 10 lakh rupees, when an engineer, when an MBA gets a package of 10 lakh rupees for a year, the parents go crazy that my son or my daughter has got placed for 10 lakh rupees a month. You know what the guy who's earning 1 lakh rupees says after a year? सर मैं बोर हो गया हूँ, अब नेक्स्ट क्या करूँ, पैसे तो कमा लिए, अब नेक्स्ट क्या करना है. This is the amount of money you can get in a year in this industry. So don't hesitate when you enter into this industry. You can get a lot of money. You can earn a lot of money. There is a lot of scope. The way this industry is grooming, the way lifestyle diseases are coming in, the way diabetes is going up, the way hypertension is going up, the way obesity is trending in India, trust me, our demand is gonna be enormous. As a personal trainer, आपका कोई limitation नहीं है how much you can earn. Yes, you have to look at the long-term perspective, that what I will do after 20 years. I won't be a personal trainer after 20 years. You can set up your own gym. You can set up your own small personal training studio. Okay, you can start consulting gyms on increasing their revenue for personal training, for gym membership. That's something that you can do. Or maybe you can start consulting different apps which are coming, the technological platform. The technology companies don't know what to do with the data. Everybody is wearing a Fitbit today, but they don't know how I can integrate a Fitbit with my workout. How can I do this? What does 5,000 steps mean and what does 10,000 steps means? So you have to think out of the box. You can work with the kids. You can work with the sports teams. You can work with geriatric population. Be a specialist. If you're going to be a specialist, trust me, your demand is enormous. We have a personal trainer who works with the sports teams. He's a strength and conditioning coach. एक strength and conditioning coach है. He was hired by an academy in China. चाइना में academy ने उसको hire किया. Salary कितना? $4,000 a month. If I convert it today, comes out to about 2,80,000 rupees a month. And his age, 23. How many of us or how many professionals get this kind of packages at the age of 23? Only if you pass out from an IIM or maybe an IIT, then only you can expect these kind of packages. But if I tell you that this guy is only a 12th pass, not even a graduate, and earning this kind of money, will you still say that this industry has no scope? I think you're wrong. This industry has a lot of scope. You just have to sit, you just have to think what I want to do after this. I have to plan. I have n number of examples where our students have excelled in the field of fitness. So once you excel as a personal trainer, what is the next step? अब इसके बाद क्या करना है? Once you start excelling as a personal trainer, usually gyms have a position called fitness manager or a head trainer. A head trainer is a person who usually manages a team of people, जहाँ पे he gets a basic salary, he gets his personal training incomes, and he also gets incentives when the team hits a target. So that's the next stage you're looking at. The way the gyms are growing, the demand for fitness managers or the demand for club general managers. The club general manager is responsible for the gym sales, he's responsible for the personal training revenue, he's responsible for the day-to-day activities of the gym. That is something which is needed. There are companies who are willing to pay any amount of money for a good manager. And you know what is the problem? We don't have good managers. Because good managers are not trained. Good managers are not found. You just have to train them. You just have to make a good manager. There is nothing called a good manager course. You have to make a good manager. So this is something what the professionals, a personal trainer can look at. एक personal trainer सोच सकता है कि इसके बाद मैं fitness manager बन सकता हूँ, इसके बाद मैं central general manager बन सकता हूँ, where I'll have a fixed income that comes to my house every month. That's something which I can look at. Becoming a personal trainer, becoming a fitness manager, becoming a club general manager. The way franchise market is growing. When I say franchise, there are big franchises in India which are growing really well. We have Anytime Fitness, we have Gold's Gym, we have Snap Fitness, we have Talwalkars, we have lots and lots of new companies which are coming. We have UFC, which are coming in now. They require good people. They require franchise managers. So if somebody has to tell me that I want to invest into a fitness business, I need somebody from the fitness background. I don't need an investment banker coming to me. एक investment banker आएगा, मुझे बोलेगा सर 2 करोड़ रुपए लगा के जिम खोलना, मैं खोलूंगा कैसे, क्या है उसमें, ट्रेडमिल कितने हैं, क्रॉस ट्रेनर कितने हैं, ये कितना है, वो कितना है, he will never be able to answer it. But अगर एक पर्सनल ट्रेनर, एक फ्रेंचाइज मैनेजर बनता है, he understands the business. He eats, sleeps, breathes fitness. He understands the equipments better than anybody else. So you can look at, think out of the box. This is something what you're looking at. Cult is another example. These guys are doing really well, hiring lots and lots of professionals, making a good brand. They are growing exponentially every day, I would say, not even a month. Every day I see a new center opening up. They would require professionals. Where will they come from? You are the people. You are the right people who will come back, as a successful personal trainer, who will come back as a manager, who will come back as a central general manager, and will be a part of this industry. So don't hesitate to come into this industry. There are lots and lots of opportunities coming up for you. For more information, like I said, you can follow us, you can follow bodyandstrength.com, and we will definitely be able to do more and more videos on this. Thank you.